Good morning students. Today we are starting 10.5. Construct right angle triangle PQR where Q, measure of angle Q is 90 and QR is 8 centimeter and PR, that will be hypotenuse, this should be 10 centimeter. Now we start our construction. Take scale and first draw QR, that is 8 centimeter. Now name it QR 10 centimeter, write the measurement also, 8 centimeter, and on Q we have to construct an angle of 90 degree. You know how to construct. This is 0, first arc is of 60, then this is 120, and in between them from 60 and 120, the where the arcs will meet, that pass the line from this angle will be of 90 degree. Now we want PR, this is P, so PR should be 10 centimeter. Now using scale, open the compass equal to 10 centimeter, taking RS center, draw an arc so that it cut this arm at the point of intersection will be P. Join it. This PQR will be our required triangle. Is it clear? Now second question is construct a right angled triangle whose hypotenuse is 6 centimeter, same way, and one of the leg is 4 centimeter. Now again draw a line segment of 4 centimeter with the help of scale. Name is not given, so name it as you want. Suppose I have written BC 4 centimeter. Now again right angled, so at B construct an angle of 90 degree, first arc, then second arc, and wherever this 120 and 60 arcs will meet, angle between them will be of 90 degree. This is our 90 degree angle. Now hypotenuse is 6 centimeter long, so take radius equal to 6 centimeter using scale. Now taking C as center, cut this arm where it will intersect this point, will be, name it as you want. You can name according to your own. Now this ABC is required triangle. Coming to question number 3rd, construct an isosceles. Isosceles means where two sides are equal. Okay. Now triangle where ACB, so center point is C, so at C we have to draw an angle of 90 degree. One leg is 6, so other will be also 6 because it is isosceles. Naturally बच्चे, hypotenuse is the longest side, सबसे बड़ी side होती है, तो these two legs will be of equal. So we start our construction. Draw a line of 6 centimeter. Now name it CA. Here also, even if you will write AC, then on this point you will construct an angle of 90 degree. It doesn't make a difference. Now on C, construct an angle of 90 degree. Always use compass, don't draw with protractor. Angles which are multiples of 15 should be constructed with compass. Now we will pass this, and from here only I will measure my 6 centimeter. Place, take C as center and C as center, put it your needle here, cut this, so you will get point B, and C is 90 degree. Join AB, so ABC is your required triangle with C as 90 degree, and these two sides are equal, so it is isosceles triangle. In this way you will complete your exercise 10.5. Thank you.